What if I told you that your OpenClaw agent can get data from anywhere on the web? Nowadays, agents are smart, but they often lack the fresh data they need. Using Apify's Openclaw plugin, your agent will be able to connect and get data from anywhere on the web. Let's dive in. To kick things off, I go to my VPS, and here you can see I have the OpenClaw TUI open, which means I have set up OpenClaw and I am ready to go. Just for context, I have freshly set this up and haven't done any configuration. So I exit the TUI, and then to install the Apify plugin, I run OpenClaw plugins install at apify-openclaw-plugin. And now it's going to start installing the plugin. So here we can see it's now getting the dependencies, and this should take a short while. The installation is now done, so we can start setting it up. So I type OpenClaw Apify setup, and this is going to ask for my Apify API key, as you can see here. So for that, I go to Console, Settings, API and Integrations. I copy my token and I paste it here, and I press yes here, because it's going to update the config by itself, so you don't need to copy paste any config files. So now the OpenClaw setup is there. I just call gateway restart, so the changes propagate to our final agent. Now with that, I would like to talk about two more commands that might be useful. The first one is OpenClaw Apify test, which is going to run some internal tests and check if your plugin is working correctly. Here we can see the testing is done and there doesn't seem to be any issue. Then we can also do OpenClaw Apify status to check the functionality of the plugin. So here we can see that we have the API key configured. Our max runs, max results are by default set to 20. And now we can go OpenClaw TUI to open our chat interface. Now I'm going to ask it, using Apify plugin, can you find me the stats of Apify, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So I'm going to kick this off, and the first thing the agent is going to do is start a sub-agent. The reason for this is we want to protect the context of your master agent. For this, we specifically specified it to use a sub-agent while using the Apify plugin. Now the sub-agent is running. It's going to discover actors and then start running them. So if we go to our runs, we see here that the YouTube scraper has already started. So pretty soon it should also start the LinkedIn and Twitter scrapers. So let's give it some time. While we're waiting for it, we can check the input here. So we can see if we go to input, it puts Apify's YouTube channel's URL. So if we go back, the Twitter scraper is also done. And the agent can start these in bulk, but it can also start them one by one. So here we go, we see Apify as username, and the LinkedIn scraper is also finished. So let's just check the input for that as well. And you can see it's company Apify Tech, which is actually the correct URL for Apify's LinkedIn. Here we can see. Okay, so if we go back, here we can see YouTube subscribers 12K, total views 6 million, total videos. And if we scroll down, we can see it for LinkedIn, for Twitter. So with just running two commands, we have managed to have our OpenClaw agent scrape data from the web. Just by running two simple commands, we were able to set up Apify plugin, and our OpenClaw agent now can fetch real-world data from the web. Try it out on your OpenClaw agent and let us know how it goes. Thank you. Bye.